They need to see your face here. Yeah, they need the face of the police. I know this is BoT, there are no Gen Z here.
On this note, Chairman, we have presentation. I humbly hand over to the Chairman of Board of Trustees. Thank you very much.
As we approach our 2025 elective national convention in Ibadan next week, the best path forward for our party is reconciliation and unity of purpose. Only through genuine reconciliation can we go into that convention as one family, ready to elect credible, competent, and widely acceptable leaders who will reflect the will of our members and reposition the party for national leadership. No ambition, no grievance, and no factional loyalty should override the collective interests of the PDP.
I must confess that what Justice Akintola did in this era of judicial intimidation and moral compromise is an act of courage. A time when some have sought to manipulate our courts and intimidate our judges, it takes bravery to stand for the truth and defend the law. The judgment is not just a victory for our party, but for democracy.
As the conscience of the party, the BoT cannot and will not take sides, but remain focused on safeguarding the integrity of the PDP and ensuring dialogue over discord. The decision for reconciliation not as a sign of weakness, but as a demonstration of maturity and responsibility. Against this backdrop, the Board of Trustees sets up a high-powered committee to immediately reconcile all conflicting sides and restore unity of purpose to our party as we head to the elective national convention in Ibadan. The committee will be chaired by Ambassador Hazan Nadamu, and the secretary will be Chief Mike Obiadome. As the conscience of the party, The Board of Trustees cannot and will not take sides. Our sacred duty is to safeguard the integrity of the PDP and ensure that dialogue triumphs over discord. The time has come for reconciliation, not as a sign of weakness, but as a demonstration of maturity and responsibility.